Come with us to go buy cooking gas. So today in the afternoon, I said to go and buy the cooking gas. I've already called the keke driver that is going to take us there. Initially, I wanted to just go by myself, but because Shama was the only one awake in the house, I said, okay, fine, Shamangwa, follow me. At least she'll be my camera woman. So I went there with Choma. As you can see, we have arrived where we are going to, and this is us inside the keke. And our cylinder was kind of stuck. I was telling the driver, be careful, oh, please be careful. I don't want anything to happen to your keke, oh, all because of my cylinder. So he eventually, maneuvered it. I don't know how he was able to do that, but he was able to bring that thing out. So he's going to take my cylinder to where they're going to be filling it. Well, me, I'll go to where I have to pay for the for how many kg that I want. So this is me. Oh, I didn't realize that I'm this fat. Oh, yeah, I've never, kind of video myself from the back like this. I don't know that I'm this fat. See broad shoulder. Eh? See my broad shoulder. Look like somebody that is boxing. What is Anthony Joshua them? Oh my God forbid, though. I must find sheep by fire by force, at least to see if I can be able to look nice. So these people, they are selling 1 kg for 1,200. So that my cylinder, I still have about 1 kg left in that cylinder. I'll be 1.5 kg left in that cylinder. So I decided to just get like 11 kg to just top on the one that I have, so making it 13,200. So I did my POS. She's going to give me receipt, because without that receipt, they are not going to fill my cylinder. So I have to go with the receipt, which she's going to sign. She's going to sign it. Everything here, they are working anyway. They are trying. Let me not just say they are trying. So they are trying with their documenting stuff. So I'm just going to take the paper to that place they are filling the gas, and once I get it to the place they are filling the gas, they will now start filling my cylinder, to know how many kg that I paid for, and they start filling it for me. So I'm still looking at this my shoulder, oh. And my waist here looks kind of slim, but my shoulder is too much. It's big. I don't even like it. So I was asking the guy, and the last time I came to buy gas now, I bought it for a kg 1,100. When did you people add extra 100 naira? He was like, you added it last month. So I'm trying to show Shioma, because she was so excited. She followed me. She was saying, Mommy, see this boat, see this boat. I said, okay, let me zoom it in. Let's see how we are going. Let's see it very well. We are close by. If you stay this place, natural is, you see nature, nature is fine. No, nature is fine. If I want to build house, I'll make sure that I build house around nature. I'll leave trees, all these lakes. If there is lakes there, you will truly enjoy and live longer safe if you stay beside nature. So this particular place, as you are entering the rainy season, if you stay here without wearing sweater, your story is your name, because you'll be catching cold every day. You'll be catching cold. So I was trying to show Shoma what I'm doing. I'm telling her I'm going to buy 11 kg of gas. So this thing is going to be reading the amount up, and it's going to be reading how many kg down. So as of here, it's about 7 kg now. So it's going to read until it gets to 11 kg, and it's going to stop automatically. That's how this thing looks, just like if you're buying fuel. So that's what I was discussing with my baby here. You can see her. She was having fun. She was really enjoying herself. I told her, okay, look closely. It's 11 now, and this is the 13,200 that I paid for. That is in my receipt. So this is it. It's not going to add any other thing. So the guy is going to remove the thing, and whenever I come to refill my gas, he always change that black rubber for me. He always change it. So he's just going to change it, and my keke driver will just carry the cylinder back to the kitchen.